Hello, boys and girls. How are you doing today? I'm glad you're here with me. We're going to get started. Before we get started, let me just say I started recording this and then we had technical difficulties, so I'm having to re-record. So my paper is already filled out today, okay? But that's okay. We're just going to go with it anyway. It's kind of what happens sometimes when you're working with technology, okay? All right, let's go. Good morning. Can you read this sentence? Okay, let's read the sentence. Remember, all these words are sight words other than two, and those two are in the at family, and we've studied the at family. So let's read it. The fat cat is brown. Let's read that again. The fat cat is brown. Good job. Let's practice writing the letter G. Okay, we're going to start the G, and as you can see here, it starts up here at the top line. So remember, when we're going to write a letter, we always start at the top. Good job. Let's sing our song to help us remember that. Always start your letters at the top. Always start your letters at the top. If you're gonna write a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. All right, so we're going to start at the top. So get your arms ready. We're going to make a magic C and then go up to the midline and make a smile in. Just a little straight line, okay? So here we go. Get your arms ready. Curve up, go down and make your magic C. Go to the midline and in with your straight smile. Ready. Next one. Let's do it again. Curve up, go all the way down and make your big magic C. Go to the midline and make your line in. Okay, I'm going to write it on my paper. You write it on your paper or on your board or in the air, whatever you have. Ready? We're going to start at the top. Curve around, make your magic C, go down, go up to your midline, and make your smile in. Next one, start at the top. Make a big magic C all the way down to the bottom, up to the midline, and make a smile in. Last one, start at the top, make your magic C, go down to the bottom, go to your midline, and make a smile in. Good job. The capital G or the uppercase G, it's a little tricky, so keep practicing, okay? Keep practicing. All right, let's look at our lowercase g. This one starts in the middle, okay? So we're going to start at the middle, and we're going to make a magic C, and then up like an A, back down and bump that bottom line, but keep going and make a smile. And make sure your smile turns in towards the belly, okay? Here we go. Magic C, up to the midline bump, dive back down, keep going, and make your smile. Here we go. You're going to hang that tail. Ready? Magic C. Go up like a helicopter, bump the midline, back down, keep going, and curve in and make your tail. Awesome job. All right, I'm going to write mine. You do it on your paper, board, or in the air. Ready? Here we go. Magic C. Up like a helicopter bump. Back down, keep going, and hang your tail. Make your smile, whichever you want to say. I kind of like make your smile. Makes it a little happier. Ready? Magic C. Up like a helicopter bump. Back down, keep going, and make a smile. Last one. Magic C. Up like a helicopter bump. Back down, keep going, and make a smile. Good job. Have an excellent day. So keep working on those. All right, now let's look. I've already circled our sight words in here today. So let's look and see if you can tell me the sight word. Ready? Can, this, the, is, brown, the, have, and. Good job. All right, we're going to practice a few more sight words. I'm going to flash them, and I want to see if you can say the word before me. Beat the teacher. That's what we're going to call it. Here we go. See if you can beat the teacher. See if you can say it faster than me. 8, 6, 4, 2, 9, 7, 5, 3, gray, orange, good, purple, white, pink, brown, black, is, at, little, am. Good job. I think you've been practicing. You're becoming an expert. I'm so proud of you. Okay, So while I was flashing those, I noticed a word that we had in our sentence in our morning message. Look, this word is brown, just like in our sentence. The fat cat is brown. So I could lay this card right here. We have to know our sight words because we have to be able to read those sight words in our sentences. So we're going to put this sight word here. Let's read it with the sight word card. The fat cat is brown. So if I put that there, how if I change it to a different sight word? Let's change it to this word. What's the word? White. Put that word white right there in the sentence. And now let's read it. The fat cat is white. Good. All right, let's change it again. Word. Pink. Good. Put it right there. Now let's read it. The fat cat is pink. If you know your sight words, you can read in any sentence, but you have to know your sight words. All right, good job. We are going to practice a skill before we read our book today, and this is a skill that we did last week or a couple of weeks ago. We're going to change a sound in a word to make a new word, okay? So we're going to segment the word on our arm, okay, and then blend it back together. And then we're going to find the sound that we want to change. We're going to take it out and put the new sound in and make a new word, okay? So the first word is tub. Say that word. Tub. All right, let's segment it. Tub. Blend. Tub. Good. Let's say I want to take the t and change it to s. So tub. T. Take it out. Put the s in. Now we get sub. Sub. Good. Next word. Cat. Get your arm ready. Segment it. Cat. Cat. Good. I want to change the k to r. So we're going to take away k, put in r. Now we get r, at, rat. Okay, this time I'm going to see if you can do it by yourself. Ready? We're going to do a couple more. And I want you to substitute the sound, okay? So use your arm if you need to, or if you can just say the word, then just say it. You have hot. Say that. Hot. Change h to p, and you get pot. Good. Next one, rug. Say it, rug. Change the r to h, and you get hug. Good job. All right, we'll practice a few more of those tomorrow. Excellent job, boys and girls. Okay, so today we're going to read a book, and I love these books. We're going to read this one first. This is If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, and it's by Laura Numeroff. And illustrated by Felicia Bond. I love the If You Give books. Love them. We'll be reading more of these this week and next week, okay? We've got lots of these to read. So when we read these, I want you to think about everything that's happening in here, because at the end of the lesson today, I want you to write about something in the book. I'll tell you about it in a minute. Ready? Here we go. If you give a mouse a cookie, if you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Look at all those pictures and the detail. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. Nail scissors, they're just little scissors that people use to cut like fingernails and things on babies. Little bee scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. That would be nice. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. All that cleaning made him tired, didn't it? You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited, he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that, what do you think? He's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it. The end. Okay, so today, this is a fun book. It's a little harder to do beginning, middle, and end with this book, which is what we've been working on, remember, with our beginning, middle, end. It's a little bit harder because there's lots of things that he's wanting. But today, I want you to use this book to draw a picture and write about your favorite part of the book, okay? What is your favorite part? Was it when he drank his milk and then asked for a cookie? Was it when he saw the pictures in the book and decided that he wanted to draw his own picture? Was it when he put the picture on the refrigerator and needed Scotch tape? Okay, what was your favorite part? That's what I want you to draw and then write about it, okay? And then tell me, why was that your favorite part? Not just that it's your favorite, but why is it your favorite? Okay, now we're going to move on to math. And the last couple of days we've been talking about money. We started off with the penny, and then we talked about the nickel, and today we're going to talk about the dime. Okay, so who remembers a penny is worth 1 cent? Very good. All right, let's do our little poem here. Ready? It says, penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Very good. Okay, and then we did the nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and flat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Okay, so a nickel is worth 5 cents. So when we see a penny, we're going to count by ones. When we see a nickel, we count by fives. Well, today we're going to do the dime. And the dime, let's see if we can figure out how much a dime is worth. It says dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Okay, so I'm going to say a line and I want you to repeat it. Ready? Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Okay, so dimes are the smallest coin. They're like so little. And so our dimes, they're silver, the same as the nickel and the quarter, but they're small. And we count by tens. So up here I would go 10, 20. So how many cents, how much do we have here? We have 20 cents. So let's count by tens. Are you ready? Here we go. I want to see those fingers go up for 10. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent job. Okay, so we're counting by tens. Let's see if you can do this page today. Here we go. First thing we want to do is count how many dimes we have. Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 dimes. Is that 4 cents? No, because a penny is what's worth one that we count by ones. When we see a dime, we count by tens. So let's count tens. Here we go. I'm going to write them just like I did on the nickels. Ready? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So how much money do I have? I have 40 cents. Very good. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Can you see that? Let me hold it a little bit closer so you can see. All right, let's count. Remember, we're going to count by tens. Here we go. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So how much money do I have? I have 70 cents. Very good. So I'm going to write 70 and my cent sign. Excellent. Okay, let's do the purple box. Count how many you see. All right, let's count them by tens. Here we go. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have 100, but when we get to 100, that means in money, what's 100? It's $1. Right, so we're going to make it 1 and then a decimal point, 0, 0. We have $1. 10 dimes make $1. Okay, and down at the bottom is just a review, and we've already talked about it. The first coin we have is a penny, and a penny is equal to 1 cent. Very good, so we have 1 cent. Okay, the next one is a nickel. Very good, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. Excellent. And the last one is a dime. Good, and a dime is worth 10 cents. Excellent job remembering that. So yesterday and the day before, I asked you to find change at your house and to separate the change, the coins, into pennies, which are copper, that brown color, and then all the silver coins, okay? And then yesterday I told you to see if you could find all the nickels that are flat. They're round and flat. Remember? They're kind of that middle size. The quarters are the big ones. The nickels are in the middle. And the dimes are the little ones. Okay, so today I want you to see if you can find all the dimes at your house, okay, in that pile of coins. See how many dimes you have and count out to see how much money you have. Okay, you can have somebody help you. It's fine. So you should have your pennies, your nickels, and now you have your dimes. And then what's going to be left for tomorrow? Your quarters. That's right. Good job. Okay, let's practice counting all the way to 100 real quick before we leave today. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Touch your head. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh my goodness, let's clap it. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ooh, let's see if you can raise the roof. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Let's crisscross. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Oh, we're going to tap our shoulders. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, this time we're going to touch our lap. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. What should we do? Let's just wave them around like a police car siren. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, remember to write about your favorite part in If You Give a Mouse a Cookie and tell why it's your favorite part, okay? And then get outside and play and count some of those things that you see outside, okay? Count maybe some of the bugs that you see or the butterflies or the flowers and enjoy the beautiful spring weather. Have a great day.